A gingerbread man. An old woman makes a gingerbread man and puts it in the oven, but he runs away. So the old woman, the old man, the cow, the horse, and the fox run after him, but they can't catch him. Then the gingerbread man sits on the fox's nose to cross the river. The fox throws him off and eats him. I'm not going to follow the stranger like the gingerbread man. If the gingerbread man runs away from the fox again, this story will be more interesting.